Welcome to Practice English in a Different Way. Mastering If, a complete guide to conditional sentences in English. Conditional sentences are often divided into different types. Some are possible or likely, others are unlikely, and others are impossible. Zero conditional sentences describe general truths or habitual actions. For example, if I drink too much coffee, I can't sleep at night, or ice melts if you heat it. In zero conditional sentences, the structure is straightforward. If followed by the present simple tense, then another clause in the present simple tense. Everyday conversations often feature zero conditional sentences. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. This sentence highlights a scientific fact. First conditional sentences are used to discuss real and possible future events. They describe situations that are likely to happen if a certain condition is met. This type of conditional is crucial for planning and predicting future outcomes. Example: if the taxi doesn't come soon, I'll drive you myself. We use the first conditional when we talk about future situations we believe are real or possible. For example, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. The structure of first conditional sentences is straightforward. It follows the pattern of if plus present simple will plus base verb. Examples of first conditional sentences in future scenarios include statements like, if it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. These statements help in making decisions and planning based on probable future events, which is useful for daily life. Second conditional sentences are used to discuss hypothetical situations that are unlikely or impossible in the present or future. They help to express wishes, dreams, or situations that differ from reality. For example, if we had a garden, we could have a dog. The structure of second conditional sentences is if plus past simple would plus base verb. This pattern allows speakers to talk about the possible result of an imagined situation in the present or future. We say what the conditions must be for the present or future situation to be different. Example: if I won a lot of money, I'd buy a big house in the country. When if is followed by the verb be, it is grammatically correct to say if I were, if he were, if she were, and if it were. However, it is also common to hear these structures with was, especially in the he/she form. Example: if I were you, I wouldn't mention it. Third conditional sentences describe hypothetical situations in the past and their impossible outcomes. They express regret or hindsight about events that didn't happen. We use the third conditional when we imagine a different past, where something did or did not happen, and we imagine a different result. For example, if I had played better, I would have won. I didn't play well and I didn't win. The structure of third conditional sentences is straightforward. The pattern is if followed by the past perfect tense, and then would have plus the past participle. If they had left earlier, they would have arrived on time. Examples of third conditional sentences often reflect on past decisions. For instance, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam shows a regret about not studying enough and the missed outcome of passing the exam. Here you can see the summary. The table shows how the main types of conditionals relate to one another. Please join us and subscribe. Please share this video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Practice English in a different way.